And at last, another year comes to an end. What have we found and what have we lost? It can be an important question. My respected chief guest and all of my audience, I am Tokir Abid from the floor of ISET Academy. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. 2021 is going to be start. It is a very important moment for all of us. I know that most of us have spent 2020 in a grief, mental tension due to corona and its effects on economy. And maybe we are thinking still in the same way. But today, I want to guide to all of you in a different manner. It's a time to revise some of our casual decisions in an extraordinary way. It's the beginning of New Year. So we should think in a new style. We should promise with ourselves that in the upcoming year, we shall render some special services to the people who are in real need of it. We should always remember that दर्द दिल के वास्ते पैदा किया इंसान को, वरना इताअत के लिए कुछ कम न थी करूबियां. We should find the people who are in miserable condition and by our collective effort, we should support them. Secondly, we should plan our life in such a way as we may reserve some of our savings for an abrupt hard time. It means that we have to overcome our extra expenses and luxuries of life. Thirdly, we should select some of the habits due to which we receive sufferings in 2020. We should leave those old habits and join some good actions due to which we shall receive a goodwill and respect among masses. Along with this, we should make some strong and difficult decisions in our life, which will be a cause of relief in a real practical manner. We should never forget that now the order of the world is going under a real change. So we should also change the order of our social life to win the main goals of this upcoming year. वो मर्द ही क्या जो डर जाए हालात के खुदी मंजर से, जिस दौर में जीना मुश्किल हो उस दौर में जीना लाजिम है. Finally, it is a mental challenge. It is a real brain booster. It is a check of our abilities. It is a theme of a new lifestyle. It is a promising situation and it is a real matter now, either do or die. Take a strong position and use all of the talent to win the year of 2021. I wish you all of the best. Thank you very much. And yes, I just remember, Happy New Year, Happy New Education Year to dear students. Happy New Year. Happy New Business Year to all the business community. Happy New Year. Happy New Finance Year to all of the finance sector and Happy New Year to all of the world. Thank you very much.